Library said to tell you don't come back.
On December 2nd, 2024, officers were dispatched to a public library after reports of a woman refusing to leave despite multiple warnings from staff. When police attempted to escort her out and take her into custody, the situation quickly escalated.
She's actually on fire.
Somebody let her have one, but she's gone.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you have to leave for the day.
I'm not leaving for the day.
You don't have a choice. You have to leave. The library staff wants you out. You have to go for the day, or you'll be charged with criminal trespassing and taken to jail.
Okay. Then charge me with criminal trespassing and call the police.
I am the police.
You're not the police.
L2. This is the same lady I had problems with before. Can you start me a car to the library? I've got one refusing to leave. It may be a transport to 2460.
Oh, Lord.
I'm fine. She's just refusing to leave.
I will. And we can just do it that way. Because I don't give a that bad. I need cash out to refund my money so I can go get my food. We don't give a shit. We don't care. So, oh, that's not even the
Ma'am, you need to go.
oh, God damn, Cash App. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Ma'am, you need to go. If you make us arrest you, they're going to not let you come back in the library. If you get up and walk out, you just got to go for the day.
One didn't want to leave?
Yeah.
Okay. So you get up and leave now,
Or what?
or I take you to jail.
Okay. Then
Okay, stand up and turn the wrist.
Put your hands behind your back.
Hurry up, though. Move the Come on.
Thank you.
Grab everything on.
Yes, ma'am.
The headphones.
Good.
The headphones.
No, we'll get them.
Calm down.
Go get my headphones out the computer.
We'll get them.
Go get my headphones out the computer.
We'll get them.
Go get my headphones out the
Can you
computer.
grab those headphones? Would you stand up?
No, make me stand.
Stand up.
Really? Ah!
Stand up.
Scare me?
Stand up.
Hold on.
What? What?
Stand up.
What? I don't give a shit.
Okay. Put your hand. Now you're gonna get carried out like a baby.
Ah!
Yeah.
Right?
What I thought. She wants to be carried out like a child.
I don't give a shit.
She was kicking me too, so she can take a felony charge. Thank you.
Get the f off me. Get off me and go get my shit.
Not good enough.
Nah. What?
Buckle you in for safety.
Yeah, okay, I hear you. Get off me. Oh. Safety my ass. Get off me.
I just got to get checked out.
You take her off.
But I don't think she wants anything done. What do you think if she doesn't want to? She doesn't want anything. You good with that?
Do it
You
again.
gotta get a picture of her head. She's got a cut
What?
on her head.
Oh, does she? Okay.
Who the f bitch you child?
Jada, you weren't seen
Shut
by
the f up.
you weren't seen by the medic.
Shut up. Shut up. Take me to jail or call the police so they can take me to jail.
You're going to jail.
All right then.
Library
All right.
said to tell you don't come back.
Let's call it.
Library said she's evicted for a year.
Can we at least? Can we get that cut on your head checked out? Okay.
Can we check out that cut on your head?
Let me out the car.
J-A-D-A?
No, spell it right. It's an I in the middle.
Okay, thank you.
Let me out.
What's your last name, Jada?
Let me out.
Thanks, Jada.
And take him off so I can break his neck.
What's your birthday? Awesome, thanks so much.
Bitch, you're dumb. Let me out the car. Let me out the car.
Huh?
Take the cuffs off.
You say that's
No, y'all scared to let me out?
Oh, it's it.
That's what it's giving out. Break these things.
Jada, what's your address?
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Karen?
Yeah.
Okay. I got you.
Yeah.
Alright, so.
You guys good?
What do you want?
I mean, I can't.
Yeah.
I don't think she'll be.
Yeah. And what was you gonna do? Sit there and look retarded. Dumbass bitch. Now let me out.
I'll let the jail refuse
Ah, shut the f up.
What's gonna
With your
happen?
mad ass. Shut up.
Huh?
Ain't caring enough to save her life. You thinking to me? Shut the f up. Shut up.
Sure.
Ah, shut up.
That's fine.
Hope we don't have to get her out of the paperwork then so we can get her.
Show me how we're helping here. Okay. Thank you.
Y'all taking me to the hospital or what?
Do you need to go?
So are they gonna take me to the hospital? Yeah, take me to the medical hospital then. If that's what you're gonna do. You gonna transport me to the hospital? No, I'm just saying. I ain't got no warrants or nothing. Okay. Is that an ambulance or what?
Yeah,
Okay. You want to take me to the hospital then? I want to go to the hospital. Yeah? Alright, that's fine. So, you came over here to saw my head. So we'll take you to the medical hospital.
see your forehead.
Nope. Alright, cool. You still trying to take my picture? Back your ugly ass on my face. Back your ass up. Back up before I break your face. Back the up. Back the up.
Hello.
Hey! With the badge you have on, you gonna take me to jail or you gonna call CPD and take me to jail?
What's that?
Those are only options.
Thank you.
Alright. The bitch. Retarded.
Get a still photo.
Hurry up, too. They ain't leave yet. Y'all keep talking about this cut. Why they not taking me to the hospital if I ain't on a warrant? If there ain't a warrant for my arrest, why they not medically transporting me to the hospital to be seen? Alright, we're gonna do this all day. Cause I almost broke your f***ing neck, bitch. So I don't give a f***.
Probably.
You like it?
Nope. It's in my truck. You guys got one.
You got a hobble for it?
Hurry up. What the f*** is on my forehead, hypothetically speaking? Ain't shit wrong with my forehead. Bitch. Bitch.
What do you need me to do? You doing the complaint?
Yeah, we got the complaints and that's it.
What are you doing? Criminal trespass?
Criminal trespass, resisting, and obstruction.
Blah, 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 blah. Dumb bitch.
Easy.
She was ultimately charged with criminal trespass, resisting an officer, and obstruction. Do you think the officers handled this situation appropriately? Or should they have taken a different approach? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-life cases here on Bodycam Reality.